Start them like.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, YouTube channel, Facebook channel. Today I'm cooking cabbage rolls. So I will teach you how to do it. That's my friend Destiny from my new home that I'm living at. First you have to have sausage. Italian sausage, you can do any kind of sausage. Like this. That's Italian sausage. And then you cook rice and cabbage. Cabbage has to be really soft. And can you give me another, please, the spatula over there? Yeah, that one. Thank you. This one. Let's take this. Okay. So I have a helper today. Her name is Destiny. And she's really amazing. She actually brought me to this house, introduced me to her house, and caregiver is super awesome. Everybody's fantastic. I'm really blessed to be here and to be with people that cares about me and love me and want best things for me. So. How's everybody doing? How's life? My life is doing amazing. I bought lots of groceries today so I can cook. Like on Saturday, I want to make another meal that I will introduce you to. But first, I want to cook this. Today I took real nice nap. I took amazing nap, slept like for, I don't know, 3-4 hours. I don't remember what I dream about. But
I remember my dream too, but
what's your dream?
well, they're basically about anime characters and stuff, kind of fantasy like.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It has to be really tiny.
Yeah. So those things have to be really, really small.
Yeah.
To make something nice and brown too.
Welcome everybody who came. Thank you for coming to my channel. I have YouTube channel and Facebook channel. So please, when you see this video, subscribe me please on YouTube. I have lots of videos there, and I'll show you lots of amazing videos of me. And yeah, it's incredible. I'm really happy. So who just came? I'm cooking cabbage rolls. So you need cabbage, you need, what happened?
Mom's watching.
Yeah, they're watching.
Oh.
They're watching. It's just, sometimes it shows that they're watching, and sometimes it doesn't. It's okay. It's not right now, but I'm pretty sure people will come to watch it.
Yeah, just in a way.
I was asking for help because like a cabbage has to be really hot. So
Yeah, it's steaming right now.
yeah, it has to steam. I will show you guys in a moment how I did the meat so you can see it. I choose Italian sauce because I think it will taste more delicious, but you can choose any other beef to cook, so it doesn't have to be only Italian sauce. I just like this type of sauce, so that's why I cook it.
Yeah, go nuts.
Oh, Emma, can you please help me cut onions? Please, really small. I asked my nice caregiver to help me cut onions because I won't be able to. I can, but it will burn my eyes. I didn't want to burn.
Yeah, make sure you just wipe your eyes afterwards.
Emma. Okay. Hello, who came to see me? Thank you very much for coming. This is my channel. Hi, Amanda. I'm cooking. I'm making cabbage rolls, and really excited to make cabbage rolls. Welcome, welcome, Amanda. So, if you want to make cabbage rolls, so it's onions, and then cabbage, and then rice, beef, and that's all. So you cook all of that, and then you make yeah, you put them together, you add tomato sauce after that, and that's it, it's all ready. You put that in the oven for 15 minutes, so it gets more moist, and it's ready to cook. I mean, to eat, sorry. This is Destiny, my friend. So, she's amazing. She's awesome. She's just watching me cooking, so that way later she can do by herself, right?
Yeah.
Thank you, Emma. I mean, yeah, Emma. Emily. Her name is Emily or Emma?
Emily. Or we do call her Emma.
Emily. I'm so confusing. Guys, I'm proud of myself. I memorized almost all the caregivers' names. Can you believe it? In a couple days. 3 days I've been here, and I almost memorized all of them. What's that lady's name?
Phyllis.
Phyllis. Okay, I have to memorize Phyllis' name. Phyllis.
I know.
Phyllis is kind of hard, but that's okay. I can do this.
Do you want the hand?
See? Yeah, yes, please. See, that's Emily who cooking my Emily. Ah, she doesn't like it. Oh, okay.
It's the camera.
Okay. Sorry, Emily, I didn't know. Emily, I'm not doing anything. I promise.
Not doing anything bad.
Yum. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's tasting good. I will let everybody try some, so they can try it and see.
I just don't like spicy.
This is not that spicy.
I hope.
You want to try some?
When it's all finished, then yeah.
Huh? That's too big. That's too
Smaller.
Yeah.
Smaller.
It has to be real small. Thank you, Emma.
Look, they say, yay, you're out of your home.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yes. I'm at my new home, Amanda. I love my new home. It's amazing people here and caregivers and, I mean, not caregivers. Sorry, they don't like when I call them that.
Yeah,
Staff members. They're amazing. And this is my new friend, Destiny. She's pretty cool.
Hi.
She's amazing. Amazing young lady. She's actually the same age like me. How old is Katie?
41.
Ah, 40. Katie's 41. Not bad, but that's okay, right?
Not bad, yeah.
Katie is really shy, so she will be with me right now, but she's pretty cool too. I'm really happy. I'm really blessed. It's an amazing place. Okay. So.
Alright, the meat is nice and brown. Hey, look at that.
Sorry, I put the camera down. I'll show you. So this is my meat. There's cabbage there and rice. I didn't put it yet. So, but I will soon. Cabbage. Whoops. Oh, okay.
Oh, you're still live. So that's good.
Okay, so meat is done. Now I'm waiting just for the onions.
So you're just going to mix the onions into the meat?
Yes.
Okay.
After Emma done, I'll put it on. No, half is fine.
Yeah, just make sure you confirm yourself, okay?
No, I won't. No.
I hope not.
Smells good?
Smells awesome.
Okay, Emma, I think it's good.
It's looking good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'll turn camera so you won't see. Go ahead. And put it here.
Me.
You go, be careful, Destiny. Be careful.
Alright, there's nothing I have to do.
No, come on. Let's do it.
Ready?
Yeah. Be careful.
Make sure you get all of it in there, baby.
Thank you, Emma. Okay, as much as possible.
Gotta spray onions.
Okay.
So, how long until I get the...
What? Huh? Few minutes, like maybe another 5-10 minutes.
Alright.
It seems to get soft. So now I add onions to it with my friend Destiny. Some.
Looking good.
This dish is cooking fast.
Yeah, it's like a cooking class. Like culinary arts or something. You can take a raw onion.
Why not? That's okay.
Yeah, there's a slow connection.
I know, it's fine. Don't worry. It'll be okay. Okay. It's done cook. Can you open that lid, please? Open this lid. Hey, Destiny.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this away from it because it's steaming up this little baby.
Okay, Destiny, can you move the lid, please? Be careful.
How's it looking? Pretty good? We're looking okay?
Yeah. Has to be really like I think it is. Okay, Emma, is it okay if you please help us to take this out?
Yeah, can you?
And then, thank you, Emma. Yes.
Alright, do you want me to turn the burner on?
Yes.
Or leave on for the rice?
Yeah, sure. Be careful.
Big pot. Okay. Well, you can put it on there and
Yeah. Can you open the rice, please? Does the scissors wash?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, can you please open the rice? Hello, everybody. Hello. Who came? Hello, Miss Jen. I'm making cabbage rolls. Yeah, carrots too. Oh, I forgot about carrots. Carrots too here.
You put salt.
No, you don't have to. Just to it.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Any spice.
Maybe like half my spice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
do you want to turn
Yes.
Okay, all of it?
Down. Yes.
Yeah.
There, I will do it.
Yeah, because it was fitting. It's sad. Do you want a small lid for this thing?
Can I have rice? Oh.
You are not sure. You have carrot there.
Huh?
Do you want to measure?
What? Yes. Do you have a cup?
I have there.
It doesn't get the cup. Okay. Where is it? Over here?
This cup, actually.
This cup?
No cup.
This one. Look, over there. Oh, hello.
That's good.
So, cup of rice. Cup of grains. There we go. There we got it.
One more.
Just two rice.
You need one cup. That's what I said.
Huh?
You need one cup.
Both are very spicy. That it?
Yeah, I have to cook rice separately. And it has to be lots of rice because if it won't be too much, then it won't be good.
Yeah, some of it is sticking to the top.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Sorry, I'm kind of busy right now trying to figure out how to do this. Yeah. So, I have another recording, so I would say that this is, so you add these carrots. First you cook beef, but you can add any kind of beef. I like to add Italian beef. And then you add onions after it's cooked. You add onions, and then when onions cook, you add carrots, and then you cook all of that. But even if it doesn't cook all the way, you can still put in the oven and let that cook in the oven like for 15 minutes. So, and then I add tomato sauce to it too. So yeah, all of that. Smells good? I told you, when I make food, it will smell really good. My food, Ukrainian food, always smells good. Sorry, it takes a little bit longer to cook, so I'm trying. Anyway, so what else I can tell you? Yesterday I went to church. It was really good. It was awesome service. Learned about Jesus. It was a nice, great statewide service too. It was amazing. I was really happy that I can go to church and spend time with God and Jesus. Praise Him. You know, guys, my mom told me that they were looking for a house like that. They're living in a assisted home, but they couldn't find it. And I was praying so hard every day to get the place that I will get welcome to it, and people care about me and love me, and I love them. So. I'm grateful that I was in a group home and I experienced so many things, but I was not really happy there. So, and these caregivers, nice. If I need to go somewhere, if it's okay with their bosses, they can take me. Like on Saturday, I went to visit my friend in the hospital who had some sickness, and I went to visit her. And so, yeah, that was amazing. She was really happy to see me, and I was happy to see her. Yeah, that was amazing. So I'm really beyond blessed that I can be part of this team, and people care about me and love me. It's almost done, and then I will show you how I put it together everything. So I'll show you that too. And then I'll be done because I don't want to take too long cooking from here. So rice almost done cooking. And I add the rice to this, and I mix everything together, and then it's ready to cook. Okay. Let me see if I start cooking. Not yet. A little bit more. What else, guys? I don't know what to say. You talk to me. Please tell me how's your day going. How's everything going with you guys? Hello, who came? I'm making cabbage rolls today, and I learned that on YouTube how to make it, and so now I'm trying to make by myself in a group home. Oh, wait, live in a system home, not group home. So yeah. So I'll show you how I did, how I turned them around. This is how it is. There's cabbage, peeled apart. Yep, peeling apart cabbage on. And there's rice. And yeah, that's what I'm cooking. Okay, now I'm adding cabbage to it. I mean, not cabbage, rice. Okay. Hi, Destiny. Look what I did.
Oh, wow, that is looking nice.
Thank you. Can you turn off that, please?
Oh, it's this?
Yeah, be careful.
I know, I can feel it. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's all. That's what we do. Just like I'll show you. Kind of messy here. That's okay. I'll clean up.
I'll be in my room.
Okay.
Have fun cooking.
Thank you. Okay, let me see. That's what it turned out, like this. And then I move it out. This from here. And then I put it here. Huh? Yes. Now I have to roll it. I'll show you. I'll show it on Facebook and then I hang up and then you will help me, okay?
You need to work here?
Yeah. Undo it, please. Gently, okay?
Let me have a knife, yes.
1 second, guys. It's kind of hard for me to do by myself. Oh, there we go. Yes. One. Three.
Scan your hair. 4. How many?
All of them.
Alright.
It's a big part. Some of them already, huh?
Yeah. You need to take back there.
Yeah. Maybe a little bit cook more, right? Okay.
You take back there.
Yeah. No, you cut this part and I'll put in leaves in the water.
Oh.
Well, guys, I can show you because it has to cook again, but maybe I'll make another little video on how I do it so I can show it to you how it's done. Because lettuce has to, cabbage has to cook more. It's not done. Yeah, maybe in the water. No, let's do it.
You
in the
need to
water.
boil it.
Yeah. Okay.
You take back there.
Yeah.
You see it there.
Yeah. That's the part.
To boil
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have to go because I don't want to take your time and cook over and stand and cook in front of you. I don't take your time, so Добрый вечер, тетя Юля. Я делаю кабачки. Ой, как они? Голубцы. Я делаю голубцы. So, я не могу сейчас пока их показать, как я делаю, потому что я думала, что капуста, она вся сварилась, оказывается, нет, что надо еще немного поварить. Но как только я сварю капусту, я потом сделаю еще одно видео и всем вам покажу, вот, как я это делаю. Но сейчас мне уже надо идти, потому что нету смысла нету смысла что-то пока стоять возле плиты и что-то делать, потому что это время немного занимает, знаете. Поэтому простите, ребята, но сейчас пока не смогу показать, потому что надо, чтобы еще это поварилось немного. Вот, а так это, да. Ну, что поделаешь, такая жизнь. Ладненько, люблю вас, обнимаю всех. I love you all so much. May God bless you, благословит вас всех Господь, укрепит вас. Тетя Юля, я переехала на новое место. Yeah. This is understood. А я переехала на новое место, тетя Юлечка. Вот у меня новая жизнь началась. Очень здорово, здесь классно. Всем спасибо большое за молитву. Thank you so much, everybody who prayed for me. I'm happy that I move out and start my life from the beginning. So, love you all. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.